One moment, guys. Just pulling up the live chat on my phone really quickly. Let's give it a chance for a few people to get in here. How's the trading going, everybody? What's going on? Pizza. Zia Pizza. Don't forget, guys, to smash that like button on your way in. It really does help the channel grow when you guys do leave likes on the videos. And so I would appreciate that. Also, don't be comment shy, guys. I do comment back. I don't bite, all right? Took a big loss on AREB. Man, I know the feeling. Life's all right, Justin. How's everything going on your side? It's all right, man. Made a few all right calls this morning. As far as INDO, as we can see here, whole oil sector taking a huge hit. In fact, oil's integrated, also oils and gas, both taking the worst hit on this industry heat map. No new news on it. Let me check. Let's check it out. Let's check out the whole thing really quickly. Yeah, looks like the whole oil sector took a hit. Let's check out deals. Choppy pre-market and a little bit aftermarket yesterday. Here in IDO. We just need one. We all know for a fact that the oil industry is going to have another boom here pretty soon. It's just a matter of time, guys. Oil prices are still, gas prices are still high in my area. So, Mullineers, what's going on, Jamie? I see you did make it, huh? I would be really good. What's going up? Yeah, we take a look at MGAM as well. What's up? Gabriel's in the building. What's up, bro? I be joking that elite class. Yo, all right, let's check it out, guys. Something very interesting. Let's check out MAIA right now. We do see that retracement, guys. We did see that nice flow to that 959. We're currently sitting at $7.86 here in MAIA. Let's check out. We're not looking at that. What we want to look at here. Let's check this out. This may be the retracement for MAIA on the day. We break 752, then that'll be a short sign of that on MAIA. TBLT looking. You heard about the Amazon news. Drop the Amazon news on me, Scrap. Nope, I fill me in. Fill us in. Fill the family in on that one. Good looking out, Scrap. Alright, this is the news Scrap is talking about, guys. He's talking about the Tough Built news. Shares of Tough Built Industry soared 22% to $8.68 after it began selling products on Amazon. Remember when I was telling you guys about that domino effect? It is happening. All right. They're taking their sources over e-commerce platforms. So yeah, domino effect, guys. Like I was telling you, anytime a company is trying to expand, it's going to be doing business with other companies. So we're going to see a lot of that here for TBLT. That's why we love the stock, right, guys? Don't forget to smash that like button if you're still in here with us. We got 34 people currently watching, which I know all you guys already smashed that like button. I know I can count on the Making Easy Money family to do that. Is PHUN done or price target still? PT above $2. Yo, Woody. Is Woody coming in for the win? Woody, I got faith in PHUN for the $2. $2 easy. I mean, cool down, of course, but let's look at these 3 retracement days. What really matters a lot. Came out at 9:48 a.m. Yep, 9:48 a.m. Yeah, I was probably in the Discord. Any love for Google and QQQ? Shout out to Andrew Moore. He's one of the YouTube members, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel, Andrew. I really appreciate that. You really don't know how much it really means to know that people really enjoy the content that I put out there, and even seeing as though that they want to support the channel. That is awesome. So I appreciate that much, Andrew. But on the triple Qs and Google, all right, listen, my blue chip favorite currently, and I bet you guys already know. Bet you guys already know here. $93 products. Where do you think TBLT may be targeting next to do business with, guys? I want to see that in the live chat for all the TBLT shareholders out there. Throw some ideas out there, guys. What we may be seeing in the very near future. But Google, right now, let's check out. Headed. Where is MGAM headed? We're gonna take a brief look at that real quick. And do you think MGM will run again this week? Up to 20 to the Dub Club. I don't know. Google is under some pressure right now. Maybe drifting towards $112 here by the end of this week. Climb. Let's check out where do we see TBLT with a little support. Let's go there. Auto parts store. Yeah, auto parts store, AutoZone. That's where they should be headed to, I believe. Or get a deal with Napa, maybe. Something to be great. I mean, it's in the making, pretty sure. TBLT just wants to expand. They're trying to expand rapidly. That may backfire. Then again, who knows? But MGAM. I think MGAM may have saw its surge today. MGAM. I'm sorry about that. TBLT 20 Dub Club by the end of the month. Do I think TBLT $20 by the end of the month? I'm saying 12 for sure. It was looking like we were gonna hit that $10 like we've been looking to hit here in TBLT. But we do see that retracement here. Checking on this fund flow here, extra large scale, of course, profit taking institutions. But this is a long-term play, guys. We're not really focused on the day-to-day action, really, in TBLT. We're really focused on those deals that they're continuing to make and what's next. Home Depot would be lovely. Rev gets court's approval of 1.4 billion. Come on, man. Rev get the approval for 1.4 billion. When was this? Ooh, Revline. It's kind of low on the volume there. VRAX right now. VRAX may be hitting that $15 here before Wednesday. This was a nice recovery play that we played here. Fresh news. It got to be fresh news. I'm talking. You must be an insider. Gotta be. You got that inside news. If you got this that quick. Because we don't even see. Any type of. Since lunch. It's a little bit over an hour here. 67 minutes of trading. 64,000. We gotta keep our eyes on this thing. $27 thumbs up, guys, and we currently got 37 people watching. So if that is you over in the back, yes, I'm talking to you. Don't forget to smash that like button. All right, guys, now let's check out Getty Images. Now check this out. This is what I want people to pay attention to here at Getty. Let's drop this here. Let's draw. Okay, we got that on. Wait a minute. Okay. Knew those was looking pretty weird over there. Now we do see a risk error here. Sharp gains in large amounts of stocks. Need to pay attention to the risk. Now we do see a nice risk here in Getty. Currently looking at these last 2 days of trading. If we look at this huge gap up here, we got this thing a little bit too big. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's move this out of our way. And now today's volume so far is hitting in not too rough. Oh man, this thing is starting to spike here, guys. This thing is starting to get out of hand really quickly. All indicators are currently pointing bearish. Let's back pedal to the 15 currently, and this thing is just breaking through all resistance. Getty may be seeing $38 here today, guys. I'm 100% sure we're passing 34.94. 100% sure on that. Of course, we passing yesterday's pre-market high with ease. Looking here at this volume back by turnover, swoosh, whoosh, on 1.14%. Nice buying pressure flow. That inflow currently, we do see a nice gap. Yesterday's gap was 2.44 million. Not yesterday, sorry, guys. Yesterday was Sunday. Friday's gap was 2.44 million in favor of that outflow. So far on the day, we're looking at net inflow in favor of 1.82 million. Looks pretty sharp. 34.94. Make sure I tap back into this thing. Let's watch levels really quickly. Let's create an alert. Let's see. I just want to see any orders above that. Give me a new play out there, guys. Give me something new. Give me something new. What's on the fly? Recommend? Why do you choose Moomoo over brokers? Over other brokers? Reason why I choose Moomoo, honestly, bruh, because this is a lot of stuff that they a lot of stuff they showed me that Weeble wasn't really showing me. I like how I can actually, you know, if it's like on the day, let's say we go on the day chart here. Oops. VRAX probably would be a good idea to use this one, but I'll give you a little idea why. Like, say for instance, we'll do a different stock. Let's look at TBLT, because that'll be a good one to look at. It's a little bit more handy if you ask me, because I used to have a problem with having to go back and look at the news and all that bull crap on Weeble. When I don't have to like sort through it, I can actually just click a day and they give me the whole news article on that day, quick, fast, and easy. So if it was like a strange day, a stock ran up on a day like that, I don't have to snoop through the news, look at the date, try to find a date in the news articles on Weeble or something like that. It's just a click of a button way. I can see everything that happened, from news, price action of that day, the market cap close of that day, a lot of good, and it's a lot of other stuff you'll see as I go. But that's one reason. A lot of other reasons too. Not being able to see the bid volume on a lot of brokers was a big one for me as well. I really like to see that bid volume so I can really see what's really going on. Palantir is seeing some huge bid volume right now, guys. Okay. I like RGS, GOVX. QNRX did a reverse split today. You know what else is flying, guys? I'm seeing a lot of talk about this stock here today. This thing is tripping. 203,000 shares in volume. Wow. How is that even possible? How is this even possible? Doesn't make any sense. This look like a scam to me. Like a total scam. Is Mullen the next Tesla? God no. Heck no. I'm a Mullen bull, and I will tell you that right now Mullen is no Tesla by any means, not in the slightest form of Tesla. But I'm a Mullen fan, Mullen fiend. All right, I'm a Mullen fiend, guys. But you know I keep it honest. Probably offended those a few Mullenaires out there, guys, but it's an elephant in the room. But yeah, this thing right here, we only see 203,000. Let's really get to the nitty gritty. A lot of other stuff that other platforms wasn't showing me, like instant statistics. Oh, they ain't chiming in here. Think they slick, huh? Hedge funds got a nice footing in here, 14.89%. Are they hedging against their positions? Is that what it is? Or what? Let's check out. All right, well, yeah, this looked like a sham to me. The freaking, not off that low turnover rate, this thing pushed that high. Only 0.32% of the share float was traded today, and this thing ran that high. Danger, danger. I wouldn't touch that thing. We're seeing retracement on the VRAX. We're seeing the overall major. We're seeing the market overall make a reverse here. Decliners are starting to catch up with advancers. Anyone holding this death trap? HKD is holding up pretty swell though. Holding up pretty swell. From this thing to see a retracement from that 480, and it's sitting here at 424. I mean, retracing from 534, we would have thought this thing would have been, you know, flatlining around sub 300 bucks at least. This thing jumped back towards $400. Volume on the day is even much lower here. Let's check something out really quickly. Short pull remaining 0. Initial margin is extremely high. But if we look at the history though, it's going to be very interesting to see what short position that was taken here today, if any. But Friday, we do see a short position taken. Total short volume came in at 192,000 shares at a heavy cost of 300% initial margin rate. This thing is going to get very, very interesting here by the end of the week. I don't see this thing holding up at $400. No, no, no. I see this thing either flying or flopping by the end of the week. So if you like to gamble, this is the play for you. All right. If you like gambling situation. Let's see anything on a recovery really quickly. See what's hitting on the 5-minute ranking. It just moved really quickly. Tor just made a move. 3% move. Huge drop though. May see a recovery play on Tor here. Let's check out the day chart, see how far we drifted from those stagnant fall here. Let's go. Oops. One day looking pretty bullish here. Let's check the VR standards. Severely overbought. The trend is bearish. Back testing on this is 46% on chance of fall off of that, but Tor may see another red day. We may drift towards the 83 cent here. No, I'm sorry about that. 87 cents. Sorry, guys. 87 cent. Let's check out the live chat really quickly. Shout out to Radwin. Did I say your name right, bro? Sorry about that. Shout out to you for the super chat. We haven't got a super chat here on the channel in quite some time, guys. Quite some time since we got one of those. It looks very foreign to me. So I just want to thank you, man, for supporting the channel, supporting me, man. It really, I really do appreciate that. It really means a lot, man, because I really do put a lot of work and effort into this, to the content. Can you look at VAXX? Sure, bro, I got you. A chart. Anytime. Okay, so the range is there. Should go 15-minute chart. These last slow pre-market. Take a note of that. Slow pre and aftermarket. We tend to see that here. So if we see that cycle broken, that's a flag. So as you can see here, we tend to actually see a slowdown in both pre and aftermarket hours for this play. So if you see that cycle broken, pay attention to it. Now it's time to watch it. But let's go ahead and read some short sale data. I'm going to see on history 4.6 days on average. It took shorts to return their position here the first half of July. Let's see a close here. A gradual loss on the close. Volume pattern. Let's check the volume pattern. Slow down in volume as well. Let's see, volume slow down, but not a higher short sale ratio either. I mean, a higher short sale ratio pointing to we may see this thing. See a short cover here pretty soon. It looks like we may be seeing a short cover here pretty soon. That will land this stock somewhere around $2.07. Let's check. Let's go back here. Let's check out the 60-minute. Sheesh. Looks like we may be seeing an obvious retracement here for today, though. See the degree overlap right now. We do see a decent amount of funds trapped here currently between that. Do see, okay. Yeah, this thing got a great chance. We may see the stock see that 207 here this week. Yes, sir. What's going on, Roger? TUEM. Roger's in the building, guys. He said he's finally made a live stream. Well, Roger, we haven't been doing these things consistently in quite some time, but I'm gonna get back to that, man. I'm gonna get back to doing live streams daily with you guys. I see that you guys really like the live stream, so I'm gonna be doing this more often throughout the trading day, guys. So yeah, be looking out for that. I got a big position at MGAM. A bad man. OCGN earnings this week. Anybody playing OCGN earnings? But I mean, you got to give me your outlook right now on this thing. Test. Like, are you in this play? What is your situation? Because right now, I wouldn't touch TUEM, but I wouldn't buy it right now. Rev is moving. You're playing. I think, am I being trolled? Before I do it, am I being trolled? I don't want to look because I think I'm being trolled. All right, I may not be being trolled right now, guys, because yes, he is correct. We're starting to see some movement with volume. We're starting to see some movement. All right, everybody, breaker. Watch out for REV. Watch out for REV. Check for REV. A slight win off that throughout the trading day so far, though. Haven't hit that news though yet. We haven't seen the news yet. I don't know. We may got an insider on our hands here. Should be on your major buy alert. I know it's hard for me to, you know what? You right. I believe you was right. But you know I'm greedy, man. I'm trying to get the lowest cost average in this situation. Well, to alert it. To put an alert out on this, I gotta watch it because we gotta get greedy. We want to try to get under this 473 at least. 4 cent on entry. That is how you get greedy. Main reason why I probably didn't see that because we do not have this up. I say, come on, Obi. I know. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Let me check it out. Sheesh. Let me get started on this thing. I see that gap. I see the gap. What's Jerome got going on? Barcode and Betty. Let's take a brief look at Mullen real quick. Speaking of Barcode and Betty, look who woke up today. Look who's out of bed. Mullen. Haven't seen you around here in quite some time. The green side of things. Wow. Mullen opens that California center. Slight movement. And remember when I was telling you guys about this is what we want to see. They might have to raise money to do these things. So that's why I'm like the offer, and I'm not mad about it. I know for a fact this company is in the building stages. In order for them to actually keep up with the demand of their product, they're going to need to raise cash for facilities and a lot of other things, guys. All right. But again, we're starting to see developments of the company. That is the major thing for Mullen right now, is the developing of the company. Not so much. I'm not concerned about the price action so much about it, guys. We want Mullen we want to buy you up to buy Mullen as low as possible. Shout out to All Natural One. Thank you for the super chat. It really does mean a lot. Tons, guys. Thank you so much for your hard work. I really appreciate you. Do you think TBLT will go up? Do I think TBLT will go up? Let's look into it. And shout out to you again. Shout out to you again, the All Natural. Shout out to you for that super chat. It really, really, really does show the appreciation that you guys have for me and the things that I do here on YouTube, guys. You really do keep me going. All right, we might have to do these super chats more often. I didn't realize how much you guys missed it. Mad Max is in the building. I'm starting to see some new names here in the comment section. A lot of you guys always do comment on each video, guys, and I just want to say thank you for that as well. The comments really does go a long way as well, so I appreciate that a lot. But TBLT, well, do I think it's going up? $12 PT for TBLT by the end of the week. We have that one set. We changed the price target from 10 to 12 during the retracement phase. Like I was telling you guys, when TBLT started to drop in price, don't panic, take advantage. And we're continuing to see TBLT again make the right corporate actions. When companies are in their growth stage, we want to see companies actually making the right corporate actions. Here in TBLT, just did finish the deal with Ace Hardware. Ever since that deal went down, we have seen nice, consistent volume. We just didn't see it the one day of the news, and the volume just got shot the next day. TBLT volume is still steady. We just got another great deal news here with Amazon. Okay, it's the Germany launch. Like I was telling you guys, TBLT is going to see a domino effect after that Ace Hardware deal. So I'm long on it. I do see TBLT seeing highs of 40 in the $45 range. TBLT may be targeted by a bigger company. The way they are making moves, who knows? Expectations here for TBLT on the day, though. I do believe that TBLT will be closing above $8. It's a very great sign. We did open here at the 8.10. Okay, we opened here at $8.10 after seeing the previous close of $7.09. Taking a brief look, checking out here at TBLT short sale data these last 2 days. We haven't seen a huge difference on Thursday and Friday, but it's going to be very interesting what position that was taken here about shorts here on today's trading. That's going to be very, very important. I'm going to be keeping my eyes out on that soon. That data comes out for sure. Shout out to the All Natural one again for that super chat. Stock float around 10 mil. Let me check that 10 mil. Now, one thing we like to see though, guys, is stocks moving to the upside with a low turnover rate. That's showing us signs and symbols that people are buying and holding. I could for sure. You sure it says 10 mil? I see 1.67 mil as the share float. So share float is basically what shares are being publicly traded on this given day, which is 167 mil. We see 10 million in volume, which is pointing to a sign and symbol. Right now, we're not seeing a lot of people actually buy and hold here in MAIA. We're seeing a lot of turnover going on. Hence the word turnover ratio. Turnover ratio, like I said again, guys, is just a ratio of the volume to the share float. Share float again is the day, any given day, the amount of shares that is tradable, publicly tradable on any given day. 167 here on today's trade. We do see the share float, like you said, at 10 mil. But what will be interesting is let's fairly new here, but let's just check something out. You brought up a good point on that share float. Who owns this thing? So we don't see that's a great sign. A lot of insider though. Huge amounts of insider. Huge. Huge. Number of shares 2.8 mil. Number of shares. Wow. All right, we're seeing fluctuation in there as well. Any new IPOs today? Guys, drop us some IPO. Atlas wants to know, is there any new IPOs? Also, I want to know. Drop it in the comment section, guys, so we can talk about it in the video. Yo, Andrew Moore, do you still like Faze to hit $15 this week? Shout out to Andrew Moore. Again, he is one of our YouTube members here on the YouTube channel. That's why he has that wonderful helmet next to his name, guys, showing he supports the channel. So Shout out to you, Andrew. And we're gonna take out look at Faze for Andrew. Yeah, if I think Faze is a great swing here. All right. I do think Faze is great to hit that $15 here this week. But again, we saw the markets just dive, man. Things were looking good. All right, things were looking good, and then we saw a dive again. We recovered, and now it's looking worse than it ever did on today. It looks worse. It's starting to look worse than what we opened up at. Now, guys, decliners has overtaken advancers. As you can see here, 5,700 decliners versus 53 advancers. Things has taken a shift here for the overall market. REV gonna get some return. Yeah, listen, REV. One thing REV is waiting on. Well, REV, wow. Or what REV is really waiting on is nothing. It is nothing. No, REV really is waiting on to clear that debt. Once it clears that debt, this thing probably fly back towards like we're saying like $14 here, comfortably. But REV is pushing. We need some yes. This thing drifts back towards, let's do it. I'm gonna alert this thing here at, all right guys, you see it already, man. I gotta go back to the Discord because I know a lot of guys not watching here. So let's drop this in the free alert section. So we drop this in the free alert section. You know what? I don't know what alert section should we drop it in. We could go in major buy alert for the REV entry. Say, whoa, we're past that entry. REV entry. Let's put an entry here at 510. Looking at a price target here on this puppy, 650 plus. Bam. Guys, y'all heard the man say buy it, man. Don't look at me. All right, do not look at me, guys. You see it in the comment section. Shout out to my boy Pizza. Pizza told you guys. Our insider Pizza told you guys about the play. I lollygag, guys, looking at other things, but he caught it. Nice eye, Pizza. This is the entry. We're going back towards the 510. 509. Quick on the 509. Let's see here. I just want to check this out. Let's get the retracement candle out of here. 321,000 in volume. Off the run up. Apple's only 13 next to the change. Keep your eyes out on Rev. But Rev, what would really take Rev over the top though, if Rev can clear the debt. A lot of companies is waiting to see Rev fall so they can buy it for crumbs. But Rev isn't just gonna go out, guys. Rev will be bought out. Let's see. Let's see here. VRAX is on the slow climb. CYAD. I think this is a play we alerted here today. Pretty sure. Yeah, we alerted this today. Got some quick gains on it. Most of the time for day trades, guys, really don't matter. It really don't matter what the stock do anything. Well, not to me, it don't. When I'm looking at a day trade or a possible swing trade, just looking off of momentum. I could really care what the company. Really don't even need to know the company name. All I need to know is the ticker, the price, it's trading, and the volume, and a few other indicators I go off of. But only time I look at fundamentals, like based on what the company does and what they handle, that's for like mid-term to long-term holds for me. If it's a swing trade, I don't need to know nothing but the key essentials. Let's check out and see if Mullen did anything over the course. No, CLA. I'm gonna do a quick rundown on that. Let's check out some heavily hit ones. PBTS. News, no news. PBTS secures compliance with the NASDAQ minimum bid rule continued for listing. So for all you PBTS shareholders out there, today was a celebration day for you guys. Secures compliance with the NASDAQ. Bravo, bravo. But one company that I am in fear of that is WTER, but expects to post record revenue in Q1. Let's check out the day chart on this thing. We may this thing can break 53 cents. We may be headed towards 58. If we can break the 53 here on today's trade, we may see a multi-day run here in WTER to the 58 cents. WTER is having huge problems right now. Not seeing too much volume. All right, today we do see 1.8, but if we look here, the recent past, guys, 340,000 here on Friday, 557,000 here on Thursday, 534,000 on Wednesday. So this stock hasn't been seeing huge volume like we used to see here in the past. Once this thing was actually seeing huge retail investor interest, especially once short Shaq started getting involved with it. Let's check out REV again. REV currently is pushing. What was the price target set? 650 plus. Okay, got to keep the Discord informed, guys. Reason why you do want to be a part of the Discord channel. Okay, so guys, you got to watch this thing quickly though. Got to watch this thing quickly. It's 303% shorted. Let's check out the short sale analysis recently here. And it's not a high short. 300% short. I'm not seeing no indication of that. I mean, it's not hard to short though. Currently, we're not seeing a huge premium on it. On average, let's take one day. RUV. See what's going on in the Discord, guys. See what's going on in the Discord. Yeah, I also heard in the video. I wonder what video at I'm to 125 is talking about. Ask Obi. Wow, TK is a nutcase. You know this. Wow. Let's see here. REV. EV, good one. Need a proof one. Opinion, that's 12:47. Okay. Nothing too fancy. Seems like everyone is occupied trading right now. And oh yeah, guys, don't forget to get over to the Twitter page and give me a follow if you already haven't, guys, at OBIMEM. OBMEM is my Twitter handle for those that want to follow me on Twitter, guys. But as you can see here, we may be hitting that 650 here on today's trading. I'm pretty sure we're going to be breaching that $6 here before 1 p.m. Central Time. GHSI. Take a look at GHSI. Shout out to Dave for dropping a ticker on us. GHSI. Slow trickle right now. It's a quick dive. 126,000 shares this minute old haul. Let's look at fund flow really quickly so far. Favorite of the out. And I think GHSI has bottomed out at that 13 even. We may be making a recovery back above the 14-cent levels, edging towards 15 cents here before the close. Really depending on the market trend right now, it's not looking as though that may happen. But if we do see a market turnaround, GHSI will follow suit with that. ST. STMB, pretty sure, not a Y, right? No. Yeah, I don't know what Naomi. I don't know what you. I tried the Naomi. I didn't get anything. PGY. Currently, right now, PGY look like it may be breaching at 3270. Here's it before the close. Also, guys, if you forgot to leave your thumbs up on the video, your time to do so is now, guys. Currently, we got 45 thumbs up, 40 people watching. I know it's some people still in the room that forgot to put their thumbs up on the video, but better late than never, guys. PGY though, keep this thing in your watch list, guys. This thing is done running before we see a huge retracement. We're starting to see a lot of stocks actually go from nothing to triple digits across the board. We're seeing stocks fly just crazy. HKD, GOVX, PGY, tough build. VRAX hasn't made those multi-day gains just yet, but we do see a breakout day on this. But we're talking about stocks that are making huge multi-day gains each and every day. It's been a while since we've seen this happen in so many stocks. Currently, as you can see here, the decliners are starting to take a huge gap, taking over the advancers. Now we got 6,000 decliners, 5,100 advancers. All right. Yeah, I can't find STBMY on my top just made a vast. Wow, top it dropped from $40, huh? Get alert on this thing. Change below, change below. EVFM. EVFM has earnings in 3 days. Currently on VRAX though. Still comfortable to call a $15 price target here on VRAX by the end of the week for sure. Same bar limited. So what is it? STBMY. STBMY. No matches. No matches. No matches at all. GOVX may close above $4. If GOVX close above $4, guys, that is going to be very, very nice. earnings in 3 days. Well, earnings out after market close on 8/3, guys. So we're seeing a run up before earnings. If we do see a nice earnings call here in GOVX, sheesh, this thing may see $6 levels on that given day, especially if we continue to see this slow trickle to the upside here, backed by speculative buying headed into that. Saints. Nah. Only thing popping up of that is this. I don't have it. I don't know. VRAX starting to see a little pull here currently, but we're on the 3-minute chart. Let's look at it. Okay. VRAX seems like a great hold over the day, though, guys. I will be holding my position in VRAX here, carrying it over till tomorrow. Got in this thing at right time. Thank you for trying. Anytime, Naomi. It's BBVY consolidating. Consolidating that tab. Ooh. And then things started to take a shift during the consolidation period. Okay, that's a great sign and symbol as well. 2% of return over approach, only 2% of the shares were traded so far for 7% gain. I'll take that. Bed Bath & Beyond has earnings. Oh no, it's not. Margin fine. Okay, guys, with that being said, I'm gonna be letting you guys go here in a second. So with that being said, guys, may the gains be with you.